Good morning, students. Today we will see practice set 2.3, example number 5, comparison of surds. See question 5. Compare the following pair of surds. First example, seven root 2 and 5 root 3. For comparison, we must see whether the order of the surd is same or not. Again, we make the simplest form of the surd. So 7 root 2 I can write as in square root sign 7 square or 49 into 2. सो 7 आहे, हा जर हा रूट साईनच्या मध्ये नेला तर तो 7 चा स्क्वेअर, कारण स्क्वेअर रूट जर घेतला आपण 49 तर ते 7 येईल आणि हा त्याचा फॉर्म होईल. सो दिस इज अंडर रूट ऑफ 9 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 9 to the 18, 8 and 1 9, 98. Now I can write this 5 root 3 as square root of 25 into 3. This 5 I can write as square root of 25. So 25 into 3 is equal to square root of 75. Now I can compare these numbers 98 and 75. We know that 98 greater than 75. 98 हे 75 पेक्षा मोठे आहे. आता मी दोन्ही बाजूचं स्क्वेअर रूट जर घेतलं तर 98 स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 98 इज ग्रेटर दॅन स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 75. बट स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 98 इज नथिंग बट द नंबर 7 root 2 and therefore 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. I can say that I can compare now this square root of 98 and square root of 75 as square root of 98 is equal to 7 root 2 and square root of 75 is equal to 5 root 3, and therefore this is the comparison of these two surds. In all the examples, in similar manner, we transfer this outside number inside the root sign and compare the two numbers and find out the less than or greater than surd. See third example. Second example you can solve at home. 2 root 7 and root 28. See, is 2 root 7 I can write as square root of 2 square, that is 4, and this root 7, so this is square root of 28, and the second number is also square root 28, and this 2 root 7 I can transfer this number as square root 28, and therefore square root 28 is equal to 2 root 7. These two numbers are same. So there is no comparison, there is no less than or greater than sign here, because these two surds are of same value. So I write here as equal to. See, in third example, the two surds are equal. In similar manner, sixth example, 5 root 3 and 9. So 5 root 3 can be written as square root of 25 into 3 that is square root of 75. And this 9 I can write in square root sign as 81. So 75 is less than 81. Taking square root on both sides, root 75 is less than root 81. That is 5 root 3 is less than 9. We have to compare these two numbers. So up to this we can write by using comparison between these two numbers, and in last step what we ask in the example, write down in that form and comparison in that form. So 5 root 3 is less than 9. In last example, same method, 7 and 2 root 5. So 7 I can write as root 49 and 2 root 5 I can write as root of 4 into 5, that is square root of 20. So 20 is less than 49 and therefore square root 20 is less than square root 49, that is square root 2 root 5 is less than 7. So comparison of surds, order must be same, and by using the numbers under root sign we can compare these two surds. Remaining example in 5th question we have to solve as homework. In 6th question we have to simplify the given surds. See, question number 6, simplify. First question is 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. For adding these two surds, this suffix must be same, and we can add now these numbers 5 plus 8 and this root 3. We do not add root 3 plus root 3, that is equal to root 6. This is not the proper method. We have to add these two numbers and write down root 3 as outside the bracket. So this is equal to 8 plus 5, 13 root 3. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Second example. Plus root 125. For adding and subtracting the surd, the square root sign must be same. So these first two terms I can subtract 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Inside the bracket I can write 9 minus 4 and square root of 5. Plus this 125 I can write as 25 into 5. Factors of 125 is equal to 25 into 5. Now this 25, first solve this bracket. So 9 minus 5, that is 4 root 5. Plus value of this 5 root 5. This 25, square root of 25 I can write outside the square root sign as 5 and this root 5. So 4 plus 5 inside the bracket and root 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 root 5. So this is the answer, 9 root 5. See in fourth example, root 7 Fourth example. Root 7 plus, minus 3/5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. So I can write this root 7 as outside the bracket, and inside the bracket what remains here? 1 minus this 3/5 plus this 2. So 5 is the LCM. 5 is the LCM. So this 5, this minus 3 plus here 10 root 7. So 5 minus 3, 2, 2 plus 10, 12. So this is 12/5. 12/5 root 7 is the answer. And in this way, question number 6, we have to complete remaining examples at home. Write down these solved examples also in your notebook.